Salut à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today we are going to learn the difference, or rather how to use the two verbs habiter and vivre, which both mean to live in English. We use the verb habiter to talk about where someone resides. So this verb can also mean to inhabit in English. Often, the prepositions of place, a and dom, which both mean in this case, come after habiter. But sometimes they don't, and it's still correct. Now, I am going to give a few examples to illustrate the usage of habiter. J'habite dans un appartement. Or, j'habite un appartement. Both mean I live in an apartment. J'habite à Londres. I live in London. Tu sais où elle habite? Do you know where she lives? We use the verb vivre to talk about how someone lives or the nature of their life. Vivre can also translate to experience or to live through something in English. I am going to give a few examples to illustrate the usage of vivre. Ils vivent dans la misère. They live in squalor. Nous vivons un jour à la fois. We live a day at a time. Elle a l'habitude de vivre la grande vie. She's used to living the high life. Ils vivent ensemble depuis des années. They have lived together for years. If you enjoyed the lesson, please consider subscribing to the channel. Like, leave a comment, and share. You can also support today by becoming a patron on www.patreon.com/learnfrenchwithlikiza, or simply buy me a coffee on www.buymeacoffee.com/French by Likiza.